welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Despite a century from captain Hayley Matthews, the West Indies women still went down by 115 runs to hosts India's women in the second one-day international in Vadodara on Tuesday. India's women electing to bat posted a challenging 358 for 5 of their 50 overs, their joint highest ODI total. Harleen Dion led the way with a maiden century, 115 of 103 balls. Pratika Raral also made 76, while Srimiti Mandana contributed 53 and Jemima Rodriguez 52. There was a wicket each for Deandra Dottin, Zayda James, Afi Fletcher and Kiana Joseph. Chasing 359 to win, the Caribbean women were bowled out for 343 in 46.2 overs. Matthews led the way with 106 of 109 balls, including 13 fours. She also shared in a 112-run fifth-wicket partnership with Shemaine Campbell, who made 38. Zayda James also made 25 and Afi Fletcher 22. Jamaica's Rashada Williams went for naught, while big-hitting veteran Deandra Dottin could only muster 10. Priya Mishra took 3 for 49 for India's women, who took an unbeatable 2-0 lead in the three-match series. The third and final ODI will be played on Thursday also at Vadodara. Dennis O'Brien, the founder of Digicel, has acquired full ownership of Cricket Sporting Investments Limited, the holding company of CPL Limited. According to reports, this move follows a comprehensive sales process conducted by Digicel Group's holding, the former majority shareholder. The sale, managed by Oakville Sports Advisory, involved a strategic engagement with key industry stakeholders and investors. O'Brien, a longtime supporter and shareholder of CPL, emerged as the new sole owner after the successful completion of the process. O'Brien has been involved with the CPL since its inception in 2013. Jamaican triple jump sensation Jaydon Hibbert is recovering well from surgery done earlier this year for a torn meniscus. The 19-year-old is promising he'll be ready in time for next season.
Yes, definitely a strong year. I just need like 1 more month to get back. Not 100% back yet, but I will be just in the recovery phases of my training.
Hibbert, who was recognized along with fellow Paris Olympians at a recent Jamaica Olympic Association Awards ceremony, also spoke about competing with the injury in Paris.
Yes, that's a forte strength. The brave may fall but never yield, and I had a job to do at the Olympics. I couldn't fathom just going there and not competing, so I found it, I prayed for it, and I did my best. And even though I didn't medal, just proving myself that I'm stronger than I think I am and that I have more in the tank that I know I have is my gold medal.
8-5 anti-post favorite Desert of Malibu will take on 5 rivals in the Feature Chris Armand Memorial Sprint, a graded stakes open allowance contest going 5.5 furlongs at Caymanas Park this afternoon. Desert of Malibu ended down the track in 8th in the Mute Mile after being checked by leading jockey Radisher Man at the 3 furlong mark. The rest of the 6-horse field to face the starter at 4:30 p.m. reads Pack Plays, Bootylicious, Money Market, Fearless Soul, and The Head Cornerstone. And that is it for your midday sports roundup. And I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the midday news. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again for primetime news at 7. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.